Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video, I'll explain about how to use the related function in the DAX. So first question is what is the related function and how it is used. So the related function in Power BI is a DAX function that allows you to retrieve a single value from a related table based on the defined relationship. It is used to access data from a related table without creating complex joins or lookup in your query. Here many side calls value from one side, then we use the related function. Here one side call for value from many side. So this is the main difference between the related table and the related. In the related, here many side calls for value from one side. But in the related table here what happened? One side call for value from many sides. So this is one of the very frequently asked question in the interview for the DAX function. So now we'll go in more detail. Here this is our one of the model view here. There are many tables like customers, calendar, territories, product categories, product subcategory, products, sales here. Now the relationship between the products and sales is the means one to many. Now go to the properties here. Here this is the sales table, this is the products. And the product key is the common key between both the table and cardinality many to one. That is the cross filter direction here. Now this is sales is the one of the table and products is the one of the table. So we are in the sales table. Now this is our DAX price is equal to related product price. Now we are in the sales and we are trying to get the product price from the products table here, for which we don't have access, but by using the related function we can get those details in the sales table here. Now this is our the price measure which we have triggered here, so we can see value for each product here. Now this is the main difference between the related table and the related. In related table one side call for value from many side. In the related many side call for value from one side. If we go here in the model, here we can see sales is on the many side and product is on the one side, and we are in the sales table. This is the price and we are trying to get price which is on the many side. We are trying to get the details from the product price from the products which is on the one side. So this is the main difference between the related table and the related, which is one of the very common frequently asked question in the DAX. So this is all about the related function in the DAX.